Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by shooting deliberately. Mount your camera or phone on a tripod and lock exposure and focus so frames match. Once done, transfer images to a single folder and name them sequentially so Imovie imports in order. Make sure to set your camera to manual or use an app that prevents auto adjustments. This avoids flicker between frames. You're creating a controlled image set. That consistency is what makes motion smooth, when each still becomes a frame in Imovie. You import the ordered images into Imovie by dragging them into the timeline or using Photos Import, and then select All to change duration. Change each photo to 0.080, 1 seconds to approximate 10-12 frames per second. That creates perceptible motion without extra frames. Once they are in, turn off Ken burns on every image so there's no unwanted zoom. Group segments into clips for easier edits, and add placeholder audio later so you can focus on visual timing. You finish by trimming and polishing. Apply minimal transitions, do color correction to match frames, and stabilize any small jitters. When ready, export with a higher frame rate like 2430 FPS and choose H. 264 or HEVC for quality and file size. If something goes wrong, immediately check exposure consistency, realign any out-of-place frames, and use a deflicker or third-party plugin if needed. That troubleshooting step usually fixes the common issues that break the illusion of smooth stop motion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.